Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the scanner and readying the PC. This ensures a stable link. First, install any vendor driver or switch the scanner to HID/keyboard mode so scan codes type into apps. Next, plug in the USB receiver or enable the PC's Bluetooth adapter and set it discoverable. Once done, make sure the scanner's LED indicates ready. This prevents pairing failures and lets you move to signal sync with confidence. Now you perform the actual pairing and configure what the scanner sends. This tailors input to your workflow. If using a USB dongle, insert it and press the scanner's sync button until LEDs flash. Many models auto-sync. For Bluetooth, open Bluetooth settings, choose the scanner name and accept any PIN. After connection, scan configuration barcodes from the manual to enable desired symbologies, and set prefixes or suffixes so codes paste correctly into your target application. Finish by verifying operation and knowing one key troubleshooting move. You should scan multiple barcodes into a simple editor like Notepad to confirm characters, line breaks, and symbology support. This reveals formatting issues. If scans fail, repair the device, update or reinstall the driver, and perform a factory reset if needed. These steps clear pairing conflicts. And make sure to check battery level, radio range, and nearby interference, because poor signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.